First point, the liquid is provoked by the mixture of normal microscopic vaginal transudate secretions through the vaginal wall tissues and the microbiota and the microbiome, say the microflora, living in our vagina. Normally, it is very mild in quantity, has no scent, no color, and does not usually stain the underwear. But beware not to consider the urinary stains as vagina. When it does, the first causes to be considered are, first of all, gut dysbiosis, particularly when you suffer from diarrhea, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome. Why that? Because this translates into changes of the gut microbiome, and because of the close dialogue between the gut microbiome and the vagina, you may have symptoms in the vagina, including leakage, including staining your pants. Second, you can have ovulatory secretions, very limpid and clear at ovulation, at mid-cycle. Third, we could have a very special condition that is called cervical ectopia, from the Greek word that means out of place. What it means? Normally, we have two types of epithelia within the uterus and the neck of the uterus, the cervix, and the vagina. Those within the uterus are a simple layer, red color. Those in the vagina are multiple layer and gentle pink. So when we have this movement, this migration, we say, of these cells, red color, covering the cervix, when the gynecologist was looking at it, in the past we use it, there is a little wound. It's not a wound. Simply, we have this movement of the inner cells towards the external part. It is very frequent, 30-40% of women have, particularly young women. But the point is that this epithelium is much more vulnerable to the presence of different germs, like the one we have in the vagina, that are different from the cervix and the endometrium, and this may translate into increased vaginal secretion. So, read the symptom, and then a competent gynecologist will tell you which situation is this. From the bowel, is it just ovulation, or is it a cervical ectopia that could be addressed?